Hi, today I have a fantastic lock for you guys. It's an Ingersoll, I hope I pronounced it right, and this is a very interesting lock, and here's the key. It's like different beating on the two sides, so 1 2 3 4 5, and from this side 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. So it's a 5 and 5 10 lever lever, I don't know, and this one was sent to me by Jason J. Jason, thank you very much for sending it to me. And this one was in my nutty bucket for a couple of months now, and I will explain why. And even James mentioned that he was unable to pick it, or I think he mentioned like that, maybe I'm wrong. So Jason, please put, if I'm saying something wrong, please put it in the comments. And it was working very nice. Here's the, like, it's a very smooth operation. It's a fantastic, and the mechanism inside is pretty nice. So I cannot pick this one in hand, so I need to rearrange things, and I will put it in the vise, and then I will start picking. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I rearranged things a bit, and this lock requires enormous amount of tension, so that's why I needed to put it in the vise. I need to put it in the vise, and you can see this tension. Like, I will bend it like this, maybe more. So I will change the position of my fingers, so sometimes I will do it like this, and yeah, it's going to be a like very I will put a lot of tension, but the picking part is like, you need to be so precise with that levers. And I treat them like a wafers, but they're different, but they're picking like a wafers. And when you pick them, it's like you can feel the movement like in the gate. So yeah, let me start picking this one, and hopefully I will pick it in the decent time. And yeah, you can see this tension bending. So yeah, let me start. 1, nothing, 2, it's binding from the top side, click from 2, and it's springing now. 4, 5, click from 5. And the trick here, I think, it's that when you pick it, you just stop, because you don't want to overset the levers. So let me try from the hitting the camera. So I think pin wafer 1, it's binding. Come on, and I'm very close to the camera, so sorry for hitting the camera, but I don't think I set this one. I need more space. I think I'm good for that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, click. That's good. Let me continue again with 1 from top. No. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, small click. 5, feels set. I need to reposition my finger. I need to move the camera a bit higher. So let me try again the first lever. Now I think it's big. Second, nothing. Third, nothing. 4, nothing. Fifth one, it's binding again. Hopefully I did not overset. Click from 5. Yes, good. So on top, now 1, click, small turn the core. 2, no. Let me go back. Hopefully you can see. I'm trying to pick this one partially through camera, partially directly looking the lock. I think now pin 3, click, wafer 3 from, oh come on, lever 3 from the bottom one, and small click on the fifth one from the bottom one. So yeah, I'm going to mix these levers. Now it's, I think, 3, click from 3. Hopefully I did not overset that one. He's not feeling, I cannot feel that he's like springy. Either number 1. Now it's springy. Click from 1 to nothing. 3, 4, 5, 3 again, 2, 1. Sorry for that. Maybe I need to go higher. 1 feels springy, 2 feels springy, 3 don't feel springy, 4, 5. Yes, that's not good. I don't mean yes, I mean yes, like yes, I think I overset. That's not good. I overset 3 from the, but let me just double check everything else. 2, 3, click, 4, 5. Yeah, everything feels set and springy except 3. Springy, 2 springy, 3. Oh no. Now I need to remove a bit of tension. I felt some click. Hopefully it's the third one. Now the third one is springy, but my finger hurts. So let me reposition my finger. So let me figure it out. What is dropped? 1, 2, 3, 4, click, 5, click. Yeah, it feels springy, so the third one is not binding. I'm missing something. First one, yes. Second, third is back. Fourth, fifth, everything feels set. Come on, let me check now the click from 1. Click from 3, now 3 feels set. That's good. So let me check again this side. Click from 1 to nothing. 3. Yes! Oh, fantastic. Out of my nutty bucket. Finally. My fingers, can you see, like here, it hurts like hell, but it's out of my nutty bucket. It's a decent time, I think, for picking this one. So now let me try to disassemble it. So this is what I can do. This is the final disassembly. So this is a very big C-clip, and here is the body, and here is that groove for this I don't know, locking part, and here's how it looks. So here it is. Here's this fantastic lock, and I will put the key in so you can see how it works. So yeah, you can see, like, when I'm putting the key, the levers are going, come on, it's aligning, they're moving, and when they are aligned like that, then you can just this part will go into the grooves, and then the lock will turn in this. If we put it in this housing, then that's how it's going to go left and right. Hopefully you can see that, how it operates, and you can see them. You can see all the levers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one 9, and yeah, they're spring loaded from the back. So I really don't like to disassemble this one and to remove this pin and that pin, and it's a really fantastic lock. And I said that it's like wafers, because you're moving it up and down from the downside. And the thing is, one good thing, I mean good for me, it's that there is no false gate. If they even put one false gate or couple of false gate, this one, it's going to be unbelievably hard for picking this one. That's only my opinion. I saw some other videos, I know that some of the guys are picking it pretty easy, but no, this one is very hard to pick. So guys, that was the Ingersoll lock picked and disassembled. Jason, thank you very much for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.